What I'm just going to read in English because I don't quite know how the tone of the Yiddish is supposed to take. It was written by Sutzkever, who is now living in Israel, in Tel Aviv. He was a survivor of the Vilna ghetto and wrote many poems while he was in the ghetto, some later in Moscow, and he wrote extraordinary poetry long after the war about many other things, such as trips through Africa and Jewish life before the war, during the war, life in Israel. One of many people who thinks that if Sutzkever wrote in English or French or German or Polish or Japanese, he'd have won the Nobel Prize now, but in Yiddish there's obviously a much smaller readership. So here's one of his poems in translation. It was written in the Vilna ghetto in 1943. The Rom Press that's mentioned was kind of like the Random House of Yiddish-speaking Europe. The translator is Neal Kozodoy. The lead plates at the Rom Press. Arrayed at night, like fingers stretched through bars to clutch the lit air of freedom, we made for the press plates to seize the lead press, the lead plates at the Rom printing works. We were dreamers, we had to be soldiers, and melt down for our bullets the spirit of the lead. At some timeless native lair, we unlocked the seal once more, shrouded in a shadow by the glow of a lamp, like menorahs dripping oil into candle drums of festal gold. So pouring out line after lettered line we did. Letter by a melting letter, the lead, liquefied bullets gleamed with thoughts. A verse from Babylon, a verse from Poland, seething, flowing into the one mold. Now must Jewish grit, long concealed in words, detonate the world in a shot. Who in Vilna ghetto has beheld the hands of Jewish heroes clasping weapons, has beheld Jerusalem and its throes, the crumbling of those granite walls, grasping the words smelted into lead, coning their sounds by heart. Vilna Ghetto, September 12, 1943.